Hello again. Welcome to my closet. So I wanted to make a video kind of redoing my closet slash taking some stuff out, putting some stuff in. I really want to make it like a craft closet, and right now it's kind of a hodgepodge of everything. There's craft stuff, there's Christmas stuff, there's shoes, there's jackets. So I kind of want to tackle this, and I thought might as well bring you guys along. So let me show you what my closet looks like right now. So this is my closet right now. Up here, random TV, like a ton of duffel travel bags, Christmas tree. Those are my paint clothes. These are my dresses and my jackets. Oh my god, it's such a mess. My shoes, sweaters, my cat sometimes sleeps right there. And then there's like a random tent, my paint stuff. This is my Christmas decorations. I don't know what is here. Just so much stuff. Okay, so I think I'm gonna take all my clothes out, maybe give something away. I haven't decided. And then I'm going to move my shoe rack to my bedroom because it makes more sense. I don't really know why I put it in here in the first place. So I'm going to start with that stuff. And then the duffel bags that are up here, I'm going to put those in my suitcase just to condense everything. And then kind of go from there. So let's go. I forgot I had this. I bought this from ThredUp, and it's like a Zara blazer. Oh my god! This is so cute! I don't think I need this. Whoa, do you guys see that? I think I'm gonna give this away. It's just I have so many sweaters. I'm gonna give this away. Yeah, I haven't worn this in years. I've had this probably since high school. I love it, but yeah, I don't know if I need this either. I really wear my green army jacket more. It's so cute, but I literally have not worn this in a very long time. I'm gonna give this away too. Disneyland poncho. Obviously keeping. I don't know about these. I don't know if I ever will wear a white jacket. I do wear the red one. I might hold on to this until if I get a different red jacket. I might part ways with this one. I don't know. This is my llama sweater and I love it so much. Anyone else relate? I think I'm gonna get rid of this. I never wear this. I don't even know what this is. No. Like a vest? Are vests a thing? I don't know. You guys let me know. Is this cute? I don't even know where this came from. Uh, 49er scarf. Probably will never wear this. Giving it away. try two. I only wore them once, but they don't fit me right, so goodbye. All of my paint clothes. I don't know why they're in a backpack, but they are. Need to change that. A random tent. I don't even know what this is. Oh, binoculars. Random cup. And a vase. I don't know. I think I'm gonna give this away. This I don't need. It's like a desk lamp, but I don't use it, so give away. The oldest camera on the face of the earth. Oh my god. Oh my god. I forgot I had these! They're so dirty, but they're like llama salt and pepper shakers, and then they're like llama, can you see it? Silicone cups? Keeping. I don't know why I'm not using these. These are wine glasses. Should probably put those in my cupboard. Why do I have so much random stuff? Random candle holder. A rose. I don't need this. An empty container for the Jungle Book. Okay. I really have a lot of blue stuff in here. Eiffel Tower. Yeah, I don't need this. So, pro tip. This is the Cause box. Okay. As I was saying, this is the Cosbox box, which I absolutely adore. So I store all of my Christmas decorations in it because I wanted to keep the box.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
Okay, so I finally finished. It took a minute. It's definitely a few hours later, but I want to show you guys what it looks like now. Okay, so excuse the hangers, I haven't taken those out. So starting from the top, so up here, it's just a basket that I had in my garage, and I'm using it to store my paint clothes. These are both Christmas decorations. They're the Cosbox box. These are my fall decorations. Up here's a basket, and it's full of like my canvas samples and blank canvases. And then we get here, this is my projector. These I'm kind of storing this sign until it sells, or I guess until fall, and then I have just an empty one. These are like my photos for my drawing. There's a few books here, just random stuff here. And then in here I just have like a bunch of twine, macrame cord, just random stuff. This is like hardware stuff. This is my 3D pen, an X-Acto knife, and then these are my sketchbooks, my tracing paper. And then in here I have all my paint supplies. There's paintbrushes, sponge, paint. And here I just put this. I don't really know what to do with it for the meantime, so it has all my Petite Fior cards. There's a Cosbox booklet, just like random stuff, or random papers, and then my TV that I need to give away. This is like my scenic painting stuff, so it has my respirator, gloves, and things like that in there. This is it. It looks so much better. This closet was in desperate need of just a closet reorganization, so I'm super happy with it. I don't really know where I'm going to put my clothes that were in there yet, but we'll figure it out. I am, however, giving this bag away, or donating it. And then I have a bunch of just home decor things, just random things that were in here that I do not need, that were just collecting dust. But thanks for watching, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!